Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we look at how we can download and install free VPN on Debian 12. We'll need to run a few commands on the terminal to install OpenVPN and also to install Network Manager. I'm gonna go ahead and open the terminal and run the commands. So let's first update the package repositories. So we'll do sudo update. Next, let's install OpenVPN. Sudo apt install open -y OpenVPN. I have it installed already. Let's go ahead and install the network manager here. Network manager OpenVPN. And finally, we'll add this command, add norm at the end. And I have that one installed also. Once you're finished with that, we'll go ahead and we'll open a browser and search for free VPN book, OpenVPN, and then go to the site that takes us to vpnbook.com. And once on the site, just scroll down a little bit to this section, free OpenVPN. Click on the OpenVPN tab. You'll see that there is different bundles here. Towards the bottom, there's a username and a password. We'll need this information when we set up the VPN. We'll need to download one of these bundles. So I'll go with this option here. Once you click it, it should start the download for you. And it's a quick download. Now it should download to the downloads folder. So let's go to our files here. And if we go to downloads folder, it's a zip file. We'll need to extract this. Right click, extract, and you get this new directory. And inside of it, there's 4 files. We'll need one of these to do the setup. The next step is to go to this icon for your network, the top right. Click on settings, and then under VPN, it says not set up. Click on the plus sign. Click on import from file, navigate to the downloads directory and then to the folder or directory where you extracted the zip file to, and select one of these and click open, and it should open this window. It's populated most of the information. What we need is the username and password that we need to get from the site. So and we need this username and password. We need to input this here. VPN book is the username. The password is AFSZ8R7. The rest will leave as default. We'll click add, and now it's attached. Now to turn it on and off, you just, right now it's off. To turn it on, you just toggle it to the right. So to turn the VPN on, or to enable the VPN, you just toggle it to the on position. Right now it's on the off position. So that enables it, and this disables it. So that's all for this video. That's how you can download and enable free VPN on Debian 12. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.